Real quick video, 21-7 series mirror replacement. So the new mirrors do not come with the camera, and you got to get down in there. You can see that those two little screw holes right there. You got to get them, but there's really no way to get to them with this piece in the way. And you can see here on this one how I had to get it out. I took my little 6mm drill bit. BMW gives them to you for your little electromagnetic screws, and you just drill your little hole right there in that corner. This comes right on out. I put it into this one. There we go. And then you'll see hole right there. Put it right in. Let me see if I can line it up now. And there it is. Lines right up with that screw. Otherwise, you have to pop this spring out, remove this whole piece to get to this little fucking camera, and that'll be a nightmare. So, like I say, little 6mm hole right there, right to the screw, done.